What's up, guys? Brian Callahan Crouch here. It is finally time to give my bug the treatment it deserves. I haven't really been driving it much because honestly I had the truck and I was trying to get that working. This has also got a massive oil leak, and I mean massive, to the point now where I can't even really drive it more than a mile or two without any new oil. So today we're gonna drop the motor, figure out what's leaking, get all the parts ordered, get the leaks all fixed, and we'll put it all back together. And finally, I'm going to get all the stuff off of that wall for this car and get it put in here. So stay tuned, see what happens. So I turned it off so you could actually hear me, but I don't know if you guys can see the river of oil that's sitting right there. I mean, a river. So most likely it's coming from the O-rings on the, the oil cooler. So what we'll do is we'll drop this whole engine and we'll go from there. What's up, guys? Back in the shop today. I've pretty much got the motor back together. I forgot to film where the leak was. So basically this is the oil cooler and it actually mounts to another mount. So you can see all the oil here. So those two failed, but actually on the mount itself those O-rings failed as well. So that's why I was just like pouring straight. I didn't have to drain the oil in this thing because it had no oil in it. And I had driven it from across the street to the shop. That's how much oil this thing was leaking. So we're gonna finish putting it back together today. I painted up some of the tins. It looks all right. I mean, look, I didn't go too crazy with it. Look, Tyler's back in the shop today. Oh. Yeah. Hey. So I got a couple of chrome pieces on it. We're gonna make it look cool-ish. Cool-ish, is that a word? Yeah, okay. So yeah, we're gonna get this motor back in today. Well, guys, it's all back together. I guess we're gonna pull it out of here. Check out the new thing I got for this. Some of y'all are gonna hate it, but I love it. We still got a lot of more work to do on this bug, but for right now, we're gonna pull it out of the shop and we'll start working on some other things and we'll come back to this one. But tell me that thing isn't cool. Come on, 911. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.